Question number 7. A question, find x plus y plus z. Here is given figure. So in this figure, here x, then this one is 90 degree and this one is z 30 degree and this one is y. So here according to this question we should find sum of x plus y plus z. So before going to find this, what we should do here, we should add these two angles. Linear pair, sum of linear pair angles, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now here if you add these two angles, sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. So here first point we will take here z plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason, sum of linear pair, sum of linear pair angles is 180 degree. Sum of linear pair angles is 180 degree. Then z is equal to 30 degree should take to RHS side, become minus 30 degree. So 180 degree minus 30 degree, then this is equal to 150 degree. So z value we got 150 degree. In the same way, we have to add these two angles. These two angles, same method we can use. Sum of linear pair of angles is 180 degree. So x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So reason what we should write here, sum of linear pair angles is 180 degree. Okay, the 90 degree should take to right hand side. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So this is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to, we got 90 degree. Okay. Now here if we want to do like this, but here value is not given in this diagram. So what we should do here, you know that exterior angle is equal to, this is outside angle, exterior angle is nothing but outside angle. So exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle, sum of two opposite interior angles. So exterior property this is, okay, this property we have to use here. So angle y, that is y is equal to, this angle exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. This is exterior angle, opposite interior angles means these two opposite interior angles. So 90 plus 30, 90 degree plus 30 degree. So this is equal to 120 degree. So reason what we should write here, exterior angle, exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Then now here y value we got here 120 degree. Okay, so what we should find here, x plus y plus z. So what is the x value here? X value what we got here? 90. So x plus y plus z is equal to x value 90 degree plus y value 120 degree, then plus z value 150 degree. Then add all this. In unit place all zeros are there, so you should write 0. Then in tens place 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 9 16. So 6 1 carry. Okay, so in 100 place here 1 plus 1 2, then we gave 1 carry 3. So here 360 degree. So x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, that is equal to 360 degree. From this we understood that sum of exterior angles, that means sum of outside angles, that is equal to 360 degree. Okay.